The nominees for Outstanding Nature Documentary are
Triumph, David Attenborough's Conquest of the Skies, Smithsonian Channel. David Attenborough's Light on Earth, Curiosity Stream. Giraffes, Africa's Gentle Giants, Nature, PBS. Super Hummingbirds, Nature, PBS. Sonic Sea, Discovery Channel.
And the Emmy goes to Sonic Sea, Discovery Channel.
Accepting the Emmy, Joel Reynolds, Executive Producer.
It was kind of devastating. Animals that I had grown to know over a 10-year period were now dead. They were trying to get away.
Congratulations and thank you to the entire Sonic Sea team, led by NRDC, Imaginary Forces, IFAW, Discovery Channel, and the Fawcett Family Foundation. 100 years ago, our oceans were filled with the sounds of whales and other marine life communicating. Today, that communication is being drowned out by incredibly intense military and industrial noise in a dark ocean world where hearing and being heard are essential to survival. Since January, NRDC has had to sue the Trump administration over 24 times for their destructive attacks on the environment, and we aren't going to stop. But Sonic Sea is an exciting new chapter in that effort, and your recognition tonight is an inspirational step forward in our campaign for healthy oceans. It's a battle we have to win. Thank you very much.